You downloaded a JAR file to run a program, like a Minecraft server, but it opens as a zip folder instead. This means your Java file associations are broken. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you how to force it to execute. I highly recommend this quick preparation step. Keep a universal file viewing program installed. It's a lifesaver for bypassing minor JAR corruption, and I'll detail the best one shortly. A JAR file is a package file format, typically used to aggregate many Java class files and associated metadata and resources, text, images, etc., into one file for distribution. JAR files are built on the zip file format and are used for archiving and distributing Java applications, libraries, and components. They facilitate efficient deployment and execution of Java-based software. JAR files adhere to a specific structure defined by the Java platform. They contain a manifest file, MANIFEST.MF, in the META-INF directory, which describes the contents and dependencies of the archive. Digital signatures can be included for security and integrity verification. The Java Virtual Machine, JVM, uses the JAR format to load and execute Java code, enabling platform-independent execution. The standard opener for JAR is known to be Java Runtime Environment, developed by Oracle. Windows cannot verify the digital signature of this file type natively. Windows cannot show internal logic or routines, so safe handling requires vetted applications. Your first step towards data access. Right-click the JAR file and select Open With. If Java Runtime Environment is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. If you cannot access the JAR file, no problem. Let's systematically test the most common failure points to isolate the issue with your JAR file. First, install Java Runtime. Ensure the Java Runtime Environment, JRE, is installed and up to date. Next, execute via command line. Open the command prompt and run the file using the command java jar-file-name.jar. Finally, use Archive Extractor. Use a robust archive utility like 7-zip to open the jar file and manually extract the contents. If those JAR compatibility checks failed, it is often because this specific extension name is shared by dozens of different software developers for completely unrelated tasks. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When you need a guaranteed fix, FileMagick is essential. Its feature set includes instantly viewing a file's content even when it's severely corrupted. Visit FileMagick.com for details. Always double-check your file extensions before opening. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and keep your files working.